What's up, everyone? This is Bill at BLRTUNING. Today's watch is a Invicta. This is a limited edition C3PO. So this is a Star Wars collection. It's kind of translucent, almost like a smoked black with gold in it, with a gold C3PO inside there. Really nice collector's watch. Anyway, I got a little video for you guys today. Our friends over at R.E.D Design got these out to us. Some custom work for our Kawasaki TERYX 5H2, nicknamed Boogeyman. So we'll be installing these today. You see they are powder coated. They match the car perfect. These are to protect the intake covers, the frog skin intake covers. So these will stop rocks and stuff like that from, damaging them, or if you drug the car across the tree branch. You're going to scratch this up instead of ripping that cover off. So that'll look good. They'll look good doing it too. Look good protecting the car. This one goes on the back side towards the bed of the vehicle for the air intake on the right side. And then this one is your left side and your right side. Okay. Now it does come with screws. It did include some really cool stickers in there too. You can go check those guys out, REDdesign.net. I'll have a link in the description for everything. We do carry their parts. If you want custom work from them, go straight to their website and order the custom stuff. But we do carry their stuff as well. So if you want to support what we're doing, you can always order stuff through our website as well. And there'll be links for both down in the description below this video. It does include screws for them. So it makes it install pretty easy. You're going to have to pre-drill some holes. So you're going to have to set them up there and mark where they go. And then make sure you got a smaller drill bit than what the screws are. We're going to use a 3/32 drill bit. It'll work just fine. You can use rivets. He did send me out some rivets so we could show them in the video. You can use rivets. The standard that it would come with would be screws. But you can use rivets. You just want to make sure that you have the right size rivets to go all the way through the plastic and all the way through here that are the right size. I want to use rivets because I think it'll look better than screws, but at the same time, if they ever have to come off, you have to drill the rivets out, pain in the rear. If you got to clean it, if dirt and mud gets, caked in there, it's not going to be fun trying to clean it and everything. It'll be easy to unscrew some screws. So we're just going to use the screws. I'll get it installed. I'll show you guys what it looks like. If I run into any hard spots, I'll let you guys know. But let me bring you over here to the car and show you what we got going on. Okay, so this is Boogeyman, our TERYX 5H2. And these are going to go right here. So this is on the right side. You can see right through it. You got to have another one installed in the back there. We'll see how easy that's going to be to get to. I'm going to have to climb up there or climb here through the back seat. We'll figure out what the easiest way to do it is. But we're going to hold one up there. We're going to get it marked. I'll just start on the passenger side. And then I'm going to start on the driver's side. Then we'll hop over here and tackle this one. I'll show you guys how it looks. Let me get some markings up here and everything, and let's get some holes drilled. Okay, so here is the left side. So you see how it looks. It does look really sharp. Color match is perfect. Okay, again, huge shout out to R.E.D Design for getting these out to us so quick. Also, we got these within a week after ordering them from them. Like I said, we do carry their parts, so you can check out our website or their website. There'll be links in the description below. We'll hop over to the other side, work on getting that installed, show you guys how that goes. The way I did it, I held this up here, went through with a permanent marker, marked 2 of the holes, drilled them, threaded the screws in loosely, then went through and marked the rest of the holes, pulled these out, then drilled all my holes so everything lines up good. Threaded them all in loosely until you get all of them in, then tighten it down. That was the easiest way to do it. So we'll hop over to the other side. Okay, so here we are at the right hand side of the car, passenger side if you're sitting in the car. Looks absolutely amazing. These guys do phenomenal work. And then we come over here to the inside one. You see we're able to get it installed. That screw right there in the back corner this screw right here. Obviously it's hard to show this on camera, but that screw is a challenge to get to, because the proper way to do it would be to pull all the push pins out for the intercooler cover. Then you can get straight shot to it. But I'll show you what we used. So I use this little guy here. It's a little teeny tiny wrench, and it allows you to put a bit in there. So I was able to squeeze down in there and hold the drill bit, drill the hole by hand, and then also thread that screw in by hand. So we kind of cheated by having the right tool for the job. These things are amazing. Anyways, I couldn't be happier with it. Really awesome stuff that they got coming out of there, Razor Edge design. We also just did a video for their exhaust covers. I have their drain plugs going in too. Please don't forget, you can also check us out at UTV Takeover in Coos Bay, Oregon, June 17th to June 21st. Our friends over at DynoJet have a ton of merch that we're going to be out there with giving away. So if you see us out there in the dunes, flag us down. We'll have some free merch on board from DynoJet. Anyway, huge shout out to Razor Edge Design for getting these out to us and getting them done up so quickly. Hope this install video helps somebody out. It's not hard to install. You just want to make sure you drill your hole slowly. It'll thread, your drill bit will go through that stuff really easy when you pre-drill those holes. You don't want to punch a hole all the way through. All right, the screws are perfect. They don't go all the way through to the other side. So make sure you don't drill a hole all the way through that thing and just send it, because that would suck. But happy with the product. So far, these guys are just knocking it out of the park with the stuff they have coming out of their shop. Anyway, I'm Bill at BLRTUNING. Go check us out. It's BLRTUNING.co. We carry Razor Edge Design products. You can go check them out. RazorEdgeDesign.net. There'll be links in the description below. This is Boogeyman. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching.